Imagine one quiet night. As the world gazes skyward, the moon vanishes, without warning, without a trace. At first, a stunned silence envelops humanity. The lone lantern in our night sky is missing, and confusion ripples across continents. In the earliest hours, astronomers worldwide scramble for answers. Telescopes point to empty space where the familiar lunar disk held its steady vigil. Social media explodes with speculation, a cosmic prank, an unprecedented eclipse, or a terrifying omen. But as minutes bleed into hours, the reality settles in. The moon is truly gone. By the following day, effects begin cascading across Earth. Tides, once choreographed by the moon's gentle gravitational pull, grow confused and unpredictable. Coastal communities quickly realize the magnitude of what's happened. Without the moon, tides become drastically weaker, driven now only by the distant sun. Beaches stretch further than ever before. Harbors dry at low tide while marshlands stagnate, deprived of the regular, vital stirrings that kept them alive. Fish, mollusks, and delicate coastal ecosystems begin to suffer. The cycle of life in countless tidal habitats is abruptly interrupted, threatening food chains from the smallest crab to entire human societies reliant upon the sea. Meanwhile, the night grows darker than any living person can remember. The soft moonlight that once painted landscapes in silver, illuminated lovers' walks, and guided the way for nighttime travelers has vanished. Under this new ink-black sky, nocturnal animals falter. Owls, bats, and nightjars evolved to hunt and navigate by the faint glow of the moon are thrown into chaos. Sea turtles, who for eons crawled towards the brightest light on the horizon when hatching, become even more lost than in a world of artificial lighting. Predation patterns break down, entire ecosystems stumble out of rhythm. Months after the disappearance, long-term consequences make themselves known. The absence of lunar gravity upsets Earth's axial tilt ever so subtly. Over decades, this can lead to wild meltdowns in the natural order of seasons. Polar ice caps shifting, weather patterns intensifying, global climates taking unexpected turns. Ancient myths of the moon, controlling madness or balancing the world, start echoing in nervous, modern conversations. Far above, the impact resonates even deeper. The moon acted as a cosmic shield, absorbing many asteroids and meteorites that would otherwise pummel Earth's surface. Without this silent guardian, our planet's exposure to space debris increases. Meteor showers grow more common, their fiery tails painting new streaks of danger across the sky. Human culture, too, feels the void. For millennia, the moon has shaped calendars, marked festivals, inspired poets, and governed religious observances across civilizations. Lunar phases, once used to plan crops, navigate oceans, or usher in ceremonies, lose meaning overnight. Generations find themselves adrift, missing a shared touchstone that shaped our collective sense of time and awe. Scientists unite in an unprecedented effort to understand the new normal and to search for traces of what happened. Space agencies launch urgent missions, peering into the empty orbit, searching for clues and recalibrating satellites whose orbits relied on the moon's gravitational dance. As months turn to years, humanity adapts. We create new technologies to predict tides and shield against increased meteoric impacts. We try to shield coastal habitats from stagnation. nurturing the delicate balance once maintained by a silent satellite. New art, music, and myths rise to process our loss, forging meaning from the blackness above. Yet every time we look up, that void reminds us of our planet's fragility and the intricate, often invisible connections that tie us to the cosmos. The moon's absence becomes a lesson in humility, a powerful reminder that even the most constant things can change in the blink of an eye, and with them, the fate of our world.